I bet. Made it to Ubud.
This is like a rice.
Feed me.
Like they grow rice off here?
So?
Oh shit, look.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
See this view though, no cap.
Look at the view. Nigga, this view player, what? This view player for sure. This was a 2-hour drive from Canggu over there here, Ubud. You feel me? Took us a 2-hour drive. I'm a little bit sunburned. Hopefully I'm cool for my little photo shoot. Right, baby? You gonna do my photo shoot, right?
Yeah.
Baby girl finna do my photo shoot with my little rose petal pool and my little rose petal bath. You know what I mean? And my rose petal bed. You guys did all that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? You put Forgiato on it, right?
But we did not book any for dinner yet.
It's not what?
Book for dinner.
Oh, it's not booked for dinner?
You will book dinner, romantic dinner?
Yeah, I said the whole day, everything. I need everything. Let me see. Same. For the massage, you know what I'm saying? Sounds peaceful up in here though. You got this. This whole. Oh, yup. Happy birthday for Giotto.
Oh, that whole hard.
I need to go take pictures before the sun go down, bruh. Yeah, it was like a 3-hour, okay. Some romantic for sure. Damn, this hair feel cool.
Yeah.
And then there's a bathroom here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's cool. This is gonna be my brother's room. You know what I'm saying? Something nice. This another bedroom right here, but this is not us, huh? Do you guys have coconuts?
Yeah, they're gonna give us some coconut.
Coconut, damn, I need coconut, I need all that. Oh no, they're right there. Much. I'm seeing this how they treat you in Bali, you know what I mean, for your G-Day. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Feel me? Yeah, what y'all know about that, man? You feel me? Happy birthday to 4G out of Big 24. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know how we doing it. We doing it big in Bali. We doing it big in Bali. You know what I'm saying? Y'all should put some dollar signs. Y'all can't do dollar signs?
Yes.
Like dollar sign? You know what I'm talking about?
Show her.
Money sign. Can you do money sign?
Yeah. Sorry, I don't understand.
Money sign look like this.
Sign.
Can you do that?
Oh, you want to do like that?
Can you do it right here?
Yeah.
Right here?
I will call my. Yeah. Just under here?
Right here and right here.
Okay.
Right there, right there. Can you do that?
Yeah, okay.
Get some dollar signs in there. You know you can't go wrong with the dollar.
But
Heart.
the flower like that, yeah?
Yeah, flower like that right here. You feel me?
So there.
What? And then you got the tub. And then you got the tub. You got the heart-shaped tub, you feel me? Check out them ribs, you know what I'm saying? Straight from Indonesia. The Bali chef. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying. This is the vibes.
Was that beans? Soy sauce?
Sauce, the pork
Spicy?
No,
No spicy?
this.
So pretty much, if you stare at the monkey's eye, they're gonna whoop your ass. If you bring some type of food, they're gonna whoop your ass. If you try to hide food from them, they're gonna whoop your ass too. You try to scream at them, they're gonna whoop your ass. and then just pretty much just don't come naked. Okay, so they pretty much already robbing. He's robbing Jackie now. He just wants to eat. He just want to eat.
That's not food. That's not food, baby. No.
No, Jackie. He's grabbing your stuff.
No. Se enoja. Babe. Vienes más. Oh my God.
Grab your camera. Grab your things. Look.
Se enoja. Hey, tiene mi lipstick.
I don't know what to do.
Llama a
He's
alguien.
Graba
Oh my
tú.
God.
A ver. Tú graba. No lo mires en los ojos, bebé.
Baby, mi bolsa. Trae mi bolsa. Ahí viene mi ID y mi passport. Ahí viene mi
Fuck.
passport.
I'm not even trying to fight him.
I know, pero viene mi passport.
Agarra tu bolsa, bebé.
No hay nada, bebé. No hay nada. Ya dame.
They robbing us right now. Babe, grab your shoe.
¡Ay! ¡Ay,
Your shoe. Grab your
ya!
thing.
Es que ayúdame.
A ver, shh. No. What the fuck? Can I get my stuff back? Big
I
bro.
need my bag.
Pues mira, ponlas tus cosas allá, bebé.
Ay, es que traigo mis cosas.
Oh, fuck.
Es que yo te dije, déjame sentarme aquí.
They just came and they robbed us, bro. He's robbing us, look. And they
Oh my
aggressive as
God.
fuck.
Llámale a alguien.
Sí, como si le fueras a... Y así,
¿Cómo?
Como una cauchera, como si fueras
ahorita
simulando
había
una
alguien,
cauchera.
pero no sé si se lo vaya a llevar.
Fuck. He over here just playing with his shit.
Ay. Ay. Es tu teléfono.
So pretty much we just got robbed.
Oh my God.
They hit a lick on us. Look at partner over there. Partner over there, he with Jackie lipstick, he ate it, took our money.
Just took a Danish out of my backpack.
Yeah?
Yeah, over there. You can see. Climbed up on me, unzipped it, took a Danish out, and climbed up the tree. That's
Wow. Yeah, now we gotta watch out. Damn.
Oh my God. Al menos pues no traía muchas cosas más que lipstick.
Yeah.
Oh, did you get it back?
Yeah.
Yeah, she got her purse back. She didn't get her like lip gloss back and things like
Okay, but
that.
you have the main things.
Yeah. Bruh. Hey, babe, the monkey's coming again. Ya viene, ya viene,
Ya vete
no.
para allá.
Oh, now you
Estoy
all
contenta
tough.
contigo.
Now you all tough, huh?
Y se enojaba cuando le quitaba mis cosas. Estaba ahí sacando sus dientes. Ya se gustó.
And then I try to snatch it off him. He try to bite me. He try to just jump on me, scratch me. Did the little. It's been a whole robbery here. No cap.
Oh my Dior lipstick's over there.
Her Dior lipstick. Nah, guess who gotta pay for that? I gotta pay for that. They pretty much just robbed me.
Real suit chick.
I'm gonna get the fuck out, what?
I want to take a picture.
Niggas think I'm dirty till I clean 'em with this mop though. Took a trip to Houston, then I hit my nigga Nato. Rolling through my city, I see pregnant bitty potholes. My streets need correction, I might fix it with this Glock though.